KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, September 14th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking hot and dry for a while, as Florence is pretty much on the coast, the east coast of the United States this morning. Here we go. Interesting look there. We have a trough, well-defined trough back in the western states. You can see hardly any wind aloft over the eastern seaboard. No steering currents. That's the reason Florence is just not moving. It is just creeping inland early this morning. Of course, in the path of Florence, we have flash flood watches, hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings, flash flood watch for parts of South Texas with a wave coming in from the Gulf, and still some red flag warnings back in the western states because of the wildfire danger. Risk of severe storms, obviously, with Florence today, the standard slight risk. There could be a few tornadoes in the spiral bands on top of the storm. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk for parts of the Carolinas with Florence. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, big numbers for South Texas with Invest 95L that has not become a depression so far. Big numbers on the Atlantic coast, of course, with Florence. Storm totals over there could approach 3 feet in spots. Already, many places have had over 1 foot. But for us, just not much rain at all. Under 1/10 of an inch for many places, and that's between now and Friday morning of next week. In the tropics, 4 named storms on the board. And again, our wave is in the western Gulf coming into Texas this morning. Looks like it will not develop into a depression. Let's go out east. Tropical storm Joyce meandering about. That'll kick out to the northeast, far from land. Tropical storm Helene moving north, maybe clipping the Azores, maybe near Ireland late Monday night of next week. And Isaac hanging on for dear life. Things hanging in there like a hair in a biscuit. It's if it survives, it'll be south of Jamaica Sunday night, but more than likely this thing degenerates into an open wave. So we can focus on Florence. There's the radar presentation at 5:07. The eye wall is onshore near Wilmington. They have been battered all night. Now, this thing is a Category 1. It's going to be a Category 1 at the time of landfall. Winds 90 miles an hour. But the big story with this thing, it's not the wind, but the water. Storm surge flooding, fresh water flooding with all that rain. You can see it'll be drifting through South Carolina as a tropical storm and then recurving into the westerlies early next week. Kind of bypassing Alabama for sure. We're on the dry side. Absolutely nothing here. Again, this is the day 5 or 1 through 5 rain amounts. Additional rain of 20 inches for parts of the Carolinas. But again, for Alabama and Georgia, we're okay. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough in the west. Winds aloft are light, so Florence not moving much. It'll just kind of sit there on the coast today. And for us, mostly sunny and hot. Highs low 90s. And that's our story for the weekend. This is tomorrow. A sunny and hot day. Florence over South Carolina. Sunday, Florence weakening over the Great Smoky Mountains. We are hot and dry. And Monday, what's left of Florence over Ohio. And all next week, again, the chance of rain small. Here's Tuesday, maybe a few showers for the southern counties. Same thing Wednesday. Thursday, we'll probably mention a chance of scattered showers statewide. And a week from today, got a ridge on the South Atlantic coast, cool trough back in the western states. And again, maybe a few pop-up showers about, but nothing widespread. Let's go out 10 days. Sunday the 23rd. Flat ridge down here. The westerlies are dipping to the south, which happens in September, but a little north of here, and that shows a surface boundary just to the north of Alabama. Here are the numbers. If you're looking for cool, crisp autumn air, nope, not for the next week with low 90s. But notice out there toward the end of the month, highs dropping in the low 80s and lows down around 60, and that will feel more like fall. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.